All right, hey there, guys. How's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Hefty Ultra Strong Multi-Purpose 30-gallon garbage bags. Yeah, this this is a product that is really tough. When they say hefty, you know it's gonna be a strong bag. I mean, it really is. I mean, it's not cheap, but it really does what it needs to do. Now, for me, I use the 30-gallon bags, garbage bag for the garbage bag that's in my kitchen. And I know you're supposed to use the kitchen size bag, but I like to use the 30-gallon bag for the one in my kitchen because it just holds a lot more, and I just make it fit, you know. I mean, it may overlap a little bit, but it really makes it for more space and everything for trash. So yeah, I like it a lot. I really do. This is a very tough plastic to break. Okay, the plastic, it looks like this. Well, first of all, it comes in a box like this, and in this box there is 25 sheets, and they're 30 gallons. This is the size that you would use for your big trash cans that you have like outside, but I like to use them in my kitchen. Okay, yeah, this material, it's a very thick plastic, but it's a stretchy plastic. See these little triangles and well, what are they, diamonds? No, yeah, little diamonds on there. And what these are is woven into the plastic, and it makes it so it stretches when you like jam stuff in there. Like if you think that it's full and there's nothing else that can go in there, you can stretch this, you know, you can pull it, make it kind of force it in there, you know, and it will stretch and it will hold. That's the good thing. It holds. They're fragrance free, so you don't smell anything at all, just plastic, and they're just gonna do what they're supposed to do. Each bag has a strap on it that pulls tight. I mean, you pull these out, you're ready to pull them out of the can, and I like to pull it out and then tie a knot at the end, much like what you see right there. Yeah, and it really works well. Hefty is a good brand. I've been using Hefty probably for a good, I don't know, I would say about 10 to 15 years now. There was a time where I liked to get a cheaper brand just to save money, but you get something that's just gonna break, especially if you want to really be lazy and not change the bag often. You just want to keep jamming more and more foods inside of a can. This is what you need. This really does it, because it was built for the person that really wants to get the most out of a bag. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that this particular bag, this kind, actually, I don't think it comes in any other color other than black. Garbage bags also come in white, but I've never seen this in a white color. It's possible that it does, but I doubt it. I've never seen it. Yeah, so it's a very good bag. It is, and it stretches very far, and that is exactly what you want it to do. I can't imagine anybody having an issue with it, because when you get material like this that actually stretches to the length that this one does, I mean, it really takes a lot for you to break it. I mean, when you see like the picture on the box, like when it's doing that, it really means it expands and the strength holds. It's really, really good. Yeah, they really knew what they were making when they got this. I don't see any downsides to it. It would be nice if it did come in several different colors, you know, maybe a green or a black and white or even a gray or something like that. So yeah, I don't know, but it's garbage bag, so anybody that particular about colors, that's kind of ridiculous, I think. But yeah, this is the Hefty Ultra Strong multi-purpose 30-gallon scent-free garbage bags. It's really great. I like these a lot, and I will keep on using them. Okay, guys, well, that is the talk for today. I hope you enjoyed this and got a lot out of this information. All right, I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.